Artoonza.
Hello, traffic controllers. Did you know that traffic lights are basically the bosses of the road? Red says, "Stop right there, mister." Yellow yells, "Slow down, I'm warning you." And green whispers, "Okay, fine, you can go now." Today, we're making the ultimate road boss with bottle caps, glossy paint, and paint droppers like mad scientists. We'll create something so awesome, real traffic lights get jealous. Grab your supplies. Let's glow. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together.
Aw,
Give us your like. Time to drop red magic. Use your paint dropper like a mad scientist and paint that top circle screaming, "Stop!" Just like Mom catching you sneaking cookies. Now green with glossy polish, shinier than your neighbor's new car. Paint it so glossy cars will actually listen when it says, "Go, go, go." Give us a big thumbs up. Yellow time. The color that says slow down. Make it so shiny it's showing off. Fun fact, yellow is just nervous green. Paint it with sparkle and sass. Plot twist. We're bringing back our mad scientist paint dropper for some orange action. Because why not? We're artists. We make the rules.
Aw, so cute.
Drop those orange drops around our masterpiece like we're adding the cherry on top. Except it's orange and way cooler. Your traffic light is now officially too fancy for regular roads. Smash that like button now. This is so amazing. Color, color, color. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.